Math tips for grade 5 students. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Flourishinmath, where we help students conquer the world of mathematics. In today's episode, we'll be sharing some valuable math tips specifically tailored for grade 5 students. So, let's dive right in. Tip number 1. Master your multiplication and division facts. Practice your multiplication tables regularly to build fluency and speed in solving problems. Start with the basics and work your way up to more challenging facts. Tip number 2. Understand place value. In grade 5, you'll encounter larger numbers, so it's essential to have a strong grasp of place value. Focus on ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Practice reading, writing, and comparing numbers using place value concepts. Solving addition and subtraction problem. Tip number 3. Review addition and subtraction with larger numbers. Work on adding and subtracting multi-digit numbers, including regrouping or borrowing. Practice these skills to build confidence and accuracy in your computations. Tip number 4. Explore fractions. Dive into the world of fractions, including equivalent fractions, comparing fractions, and adding, subtracting fractions with common denominators. Use visual representations to deepen your understanding. Word problem. Mary has a chocolate bar that is divided into 8 equal pieces. She eats 3 pieces of the chocolate bar. What fraction of the chocolate bar does Mary have left? Tip number 5. Improve problem-solving skills. Enhance your ability to tackle word problems by practicing different types. Read the questions carefully, identify the relevant information, and choose appropriate strategies to solve them. Conversion rates are mostly represented as decimals. Tip number 6. Introduce decimals. Start exploring decimal numbers and their relationship to fractions. Understand place value with decimals and practice converting between fractions and decimals. Cut to a shot of the host mentally calculating an estimation. Tip number 7. Practice mental math. Develop mental math strategies like estimation, rounding, and quick mental calculations. These skills will boost your efficiency and flexibility in problem solving. Geometric shapes. Tip number 8. Understand geometry basics. Learn about lines, angles, polygons, and symmetry. Explore the properties of different shapes and their characteristics. Measuring with a ruler. Tip number 9. Measurement and data. Dive into units of measurement like length, weight, capacity, and time. Practice converting between different units and solve problems involving measurement. Additionally, learn to interpret and analyze data using graphs and charts. Organizing math notes in a binder. And finally, tip number 10. Stay organized and seek help when needed. Keep your math notes and assignments organized to stay on top of your studies. Remember, math builds upon previous knowledge, so don't hesitate to ask your teacher or classmates for help if you're feeling stuck. And that wraps up our math tips for grade 5 students. By following these strategies and practicing regularly, you'll develop strong math skills and boost your confidence in no time. Remember, math is an adventure waiting to be explored, so keep an open mind and embrace the challenges along the way. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more math adventures. Stay